This season, we'll be producing more with the help of Complete Farmer because we are getting buyers.
Yeah.
I think and I believe that this new farming season has been okay and challenging, and I think we are coping with the challenges and we are making sure that things get well. We are doing chili pepper currently for the startups, and the reason why we are doing this chili pepper is previously we have that intention of going into pepper farming, but we didn't have the market space. But currently, so far as we have gotten the market space, we had that intention of starting with chili pepper. We did a lot of pre-preparation before the production stage, which was preparing the land and having our irrigation materials ready before we started. So we did this preparation before the season started. The irrigation chain has helped in the workspace because even we started somewhere December, which there was no rain, but we were able to do our nursery and also do certain transplanting before even the rain started. We are doing the manual transplanting, the selective ones. The seedlings won't pick up the same level. So we pick up the grown ones, then we do our manual transplanting. So currently this is what we do for our transplanting. We are trying to use modernized way in agriculture as we are embracing the new system of the climate change. And we are hoping that the systems whereby we introduce drones and all sorts of things into our system is what we are thinking of. To be frank, getting in touch with Complete Farm has helped a lot. My boss was ready to invest, but sometimes the concern was the marketing and the people who are going to help buy our produce. So Complete Farm has given us the opportunity, the space to link with our markets or buyers. And as a producer, I think Complete Farm has helped us to reach out to our buyers. We are expecting high yield, about a lot of tonnages that we are expecting to harvest. The rain pattern has changed apparently, and it has affected the farming system and delayed everything in particular. But as we have gotten to know what is happening, what is about to happen, we will embrace with it and make future decisions on that, on our production stages. Thank you to Complete Farmer. They have given us the opportunity to explore or to produce, and for them to also help us in our marketing space. So they have done a lot, and we need them to be with us as farmers, and we are willing to do business with them, and we are willing to also produce more.